Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Access Security Data Loader. This data loader was designed to greatly improve QAD ERP security maintenance, audit, and analysis. Now system administrators can clearly analyze and audit security settings and effectively manage required areas of QAD security from an easy-to-use Excel spreadsheet. You'll find this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage access security details, then quickly and safely upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how the Access Security Data Loader can help you manage your QAD access rights with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we need to first select the correct database. We click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. As many databases as are needed can be set up by the administrator in the data loader. The fields in the header, which are highlighted in yellow, allow us to filter records by user ID, user group, menu range, and executable only flag. If we leave filter fields open, all access security records will be downloaded. Let's filter for records from menu 28. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Access Security Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This data loader validates that the user has access to 36.3.10 menu. Let's log in. Once we do, the data is downloaded and all the records that match our search criteria are displayed. We can see that the data fields of 36.3.10 and 36.4.4 menus are displayed. The groups are expanded to show all the users who can access the particular menu. We can filter further by the group ID. For example, let's download again all the entries for menu 28. The field highlighted in orange is a key field. Gray highlighted fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into QAD. Green highlighted fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the values in these columns. For this demonstration, we will change the access security for the Accounts Payable Control menu 28.24 and the ERS menus under 28.10. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload Security button to send our new data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if our upload is successful or if our data contains any errors. Just like all 32Soft data loaders, the Access Security Loader validates data in the cells against genuine QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct the error before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red, and when we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct the error before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. And let's see if there's another error. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload our data again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can click the Download button again to verify that our new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of access security records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data safely to QAD. 32Soft's Access Security Data Loader will increase productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.